Hey, I'm coming.
Oh, okay. Then you can mind my sunnies. Paul, that's a terrible angle. It's alright, I fixed it.
Seatbelts. Safety first!
What's Misha doing?
Slam!
Yeah, I don't know, having a 2-inch cat.
Are you right?
It used to be 2.5.
Do you trust me, Misha?
Yeah, I trust you.
Do you trust me?
Oh, you ran up the back of the Falcon.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, give him some room, because he'll probably spin.
Yeah.
And there we go. Oh no, he's got it.
How does so much grass come in such a little hole? It needs to be up a little bit.
Oh, there's a bunch of wire there.
Oh, Misha's Sacco's broken.
Yeah. Go, go, go. You gotta try and make
The keys just fell out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go! Go!
Shit. I'll try going diagonal.
There's a fence there.
I know there is.
That doesn't
Shit.
work.
I'm stuck. I'm not gonna try and do that. I'll fucking hit the fence.
Something's in his poop.
It's the bit where
Now
people
go!
haven't run over. This is high enough. Oh shit. Second or third?
The way it's just grabbing the ditch.
I need to put this window up.
Look at it all on the window.
He's trying to come and get me.
Around the witches, that around it. Oh, you.
Oh, that doesn't work.
You gotta turn the car off.
That was a good stop.
My turn.
Not so good at driving though.
Huh?
Not so good at driving though.
Yeah, you start sliding and then just go.
Your keys fell out while I went around a corner.
I know, where are they?
And I turned it off. Is it that one? Any key.
Any key at all?
Is your taco been playing up for a while?
No, you won't go over bumps.
Only when I go over.
Do you want to take the GoPro for Jack?
No, he's not here.
Get a bit grassy, did it?
A little bit, we've got the windows up. I've got it inside my shirt.
Hey Dan, is it recording?